In this video we will discuss about the various steps in creating a dropshipping business in the UAE. Step 1. Create a business plan. This includes to the website name, niche of product, website development budget, marketing budget, etc. You have to write down everything and plan the budget for the entire project. Step 2. Register your company. Getting a trade license is very important for every business in UAE. You must have a trade license if you are doing any business activity within UAE. Trade license and bank accounts are very important for getting a payment gateway. You can even go for free zone or e-trader license from Dubai Economic Department. Step 3. Get company bank account. Get a company bank account for getting a payment gateway. If you are having sole proprietor company, you can use your personal bank account for payment gateway. Step 4. Get a payment gateway. Get a payment gateway to collect your payment online. Step 5. Create your online store. Create your online store using Shopify, the best shopping platform, by hiring a Shopify expert in UAE. You can call us at +970 150 7080 for the best Shopify development service in Dubai, UAE. It's really important to hire the best development company in UAE, who knows all the legal formalities rather than finding someone from freelance websites. Step 6. Find your dropshipping supplier. Find the best dropshipping supplier to UAE or your targeted countries. CJ Dropshipping is one among the good for UAE. Step 7. Start doing marketing. Start doing marketing for your dropshipping store using search engine optimization, Google Ads, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Social media marketing is considered to be the best marketing methods for online businesses in UAE. Try to hire a social media marketing expert for doing your marketing if you are new to e-commerce business. You can contact us for all type of digital marketing services. Contact us for creating an amazing dropshipping store in UAE. WhatsApp or call us at 05070801116. Thanks for watching. We will come up with amazing videos like this soon. Subscribe to our channel for more.